Horse housing systems are divided into individual systems, box stalls and tie stalls, and group systems, paddocks and open stables. One method of keeping horses is housing them in box stalls located inside a stable. Each horse has its own stall. Tie stalls allow for easy observation and control of the horses, but they significantly limit movement and contact with other horses. When daily exercise is restricted, there may be more frequent problems with limb health. In group housing systems, horses are kept together. This system includes all the advantages of box housing, but additionally provides better opportunities for social contact and allows greater freedom of movement. Open stables usually take the form of a three-sided shelter. Horses have free access to pastures and paddocks. However, it is more difficult to monitor their health condition. Our measurements were carried out in the box housing system in 3 different locations. Xayas Stud Farm, Stallion Facility. The first stalls were designed for mares with foals. There was a strong smell of ammonia in the stable. The feeding corridor is 4 meters wide, the floor is concrete, and the stable height is 4 meters. Horses have constant access to hay. They can see other horses thanks to metal bars. In the next section, there are standard box stalls. The floor is very slippery and made of tiles. There is a strong draft and dust caused by hay bales stored in the stable. The ceiling height is 6 meters, the feeding corridor is 4.6 meters wide, and the entrance door is 1.2 meters wide. Another set of standard stalls is located in a building with a height of 3.6 meters. The feeding corridor is 4 meters wide. The floor is slippery and made of bricks. There is a strong draft and dust contaminating the waterers and feeders. Horses go out to pasture every day for 2 to 3 hours throughout the year and have constant access to hay. Stragona Stud. This is a private sport horse facility divided into 2 buildings, one for recreational horses and one for privately owned horses. In the recreational stable, the stalls are separated by solid walls, and the windows are secured with bars. The feeding corridor is 3.8 meters wide, the floor is concrete, and the stalls are bedded with straw. Horses have constant access to hay. The stable height is 4 meters, and there are no drafts. The private section has larger stalls, a feeding corridor 7 meters wide, and stalls separated by bars. There is no unpleasant odor or draft. Horses are turned out daily from 7 a.m. to 1 p.m. The paddocks are small and have no grass. Stable at Green Academy Farm in Denmark. On the farm, there is a stable with 2 stalls housing 4 horses. Environmental parameters are monitored in the stable. It is clean, bright, and horses have constant access to hay. However, horses spend most of their time in a paddock paradise system, which includes 2 shelters, tracks with obstacles, and a natural water source. Conclusion. The conclusion is that horses feel best outdoors when they are provided with sufficient movement. Continuous confinement in stalls causes boredom, which can lead to stereotypic behaviors and vices. This was observed in horses at Stragona Stud. They showed behaviors such as weaving, were nervous, and unsettled. In the Xayas facility, horses have access to turnout for a maximum of 3 hours per day, which is not enough. In contrast, in Denmark, horses are provided with constant movement through the paddock paradise system, where they spend most of their time, have contact with other horses, and live in more natural conditions. As a result, they are calm and friendly towards people.